Hey, this is Ed with BlueTexInsulation.com, and this is a short video to introduce our brand new 62-inch wide products. Now, currently we've got the 2mm product available. The 6mm Supreme will be coming later this summer. And quite honestly, this is a game changer if you're trying to install a radiant barrier or a vapor barrier inside your tubular steel metal building. If you watched the older videos on how to install the BlueTex inside an existing tubular steel metal building, you saw that typically you're going to run the BlueTex across the framing, horizontal, and then overlap 3 or 4 inches running up and down. Well, that's all changed with the 62-inch product. Most tubular steel buildings are 60-inch on center. The framing is exactly 5 feet apart. When you put the 62-inch product across the framing, now you can run it up and down or vertically in the metal building. This is so much faster and easier, and the seams now will line up on the framing. They're not going to float in between the frames. Once we get some actual install pictures and videos from customers, we'll come back and do a more thorough installation video later. But right now, I'm just going to give you a quick summary, kind of an overview on how to do this. So the 62-inch product no longer has the peel and stick tape tab that would overlap. We eliminated the tape tab. What we're doing now is we've got a peel and stick tape on the back, on the foil side. And the way this is going to work is you're going to pre-cut your pieces. Say, for example, you're going to go from the floor to the top corner of your wall. And you're still going to want to install the wood corners and the wood header in order to have something in the corners and along the top part to screw into. But once you pre-measure your piece, you're going to run it up and down. You can peel off the sticky paper backing on, say, the right-hand side, stick that to the tubular steel metal frame, pull it across, put a few screws up the left-hand side, and you're done with that first piece. Then the next piece you're going to repeat. Cut it, peel and stick on the right-hand side, pull it across, put a few screws up the left-hand side, and then all you're going to do is come back with our 3-inch white seam tape and seal those seams. This will create an amazing vapor barrier. Water in its vapor form or moisture in its vapor form will not get past it to the cold metal and cause condensation. So that's the short version on how to install the 62-inch wide product. A lot of the other applications are the same, like the corner framing. You can either cut around it, or you can unhinge them and pull them out, cut some slits and put them back. And you're just going to run the BlueTex all the way up to the center. You're going to connect in the center. You can run a piece all the way across the roof and terminate in the walls. If you run the BlueTex and so you've got a seam at the top of the wall, you're going to want to use a 3-inch white tape along there. And remember, the screws and washers that we provide are specifically designed to attach to metal buildings. They're self-drilling screws. They've got a nice 1.5-inch washer, and you can pre-paint them if you want. For more information, visit BlueTexInsulation.com or give us a call or send us an email.